Hey guys, welcome back to Block's Homemade Meals. Today we're going to be making homemade pickles. So let's get started. Alright, first in a medium saucepan, we're going to put 1 cup of water. And then we're going to go to the vinegar over here and pour about 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of vinegar. White vinegar, that is. That. And then about 1 tablespoon of salt. What we're going to do, we're going to bring that to a boil and let the salt dissolve, and then I'll show you how we set up the mason jar with the cucumbers and everything else. Alright, now we're going to put together the mason jar. So you got one normal, mason jar, and right here I got some cucumbers cut into spears, and I got about, 4 to 6 sprigs of dill. First, I'm going to put some coriander at the bottom. Should be enough. And I got 3 garlic cloves. I'm going to put 3 garlic cloves also in there. 3. And then you just start putting the dill in. And then you just want to stuff it with the cucumbers. And you want to leave a little bit of room at the top just so there's the liquid doesn't overflow. And you really just want to pack them on in there. Hopefully I didn't make too much. Get on in there. Looking like I might have made too many cucumbers. Shit. There we are, get that big boy in there. Another small one, and that one's not gonna fit, neither is that one. All right, so it looks like all we could get in there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is about 7 cucumbers. Try and stuff one more in there somewhere. Not gonna happen, but we got 7 cucumbers in there. The extras, eat them. And when the water comes to a boil, we're just gonna pour that right over the top, give it a shake, and probably sit it in the fridge. I'd say 5 to 6 days. The longer the better. All right, the water, vinegar, and salt came to a boil, and I was able to fit 1 more in there, so I got 8 pieces of cucumber. Now we're gonna pour the liquid solution right on top. And hopefully not make a mess. You just want to make sure that it covers the cucumbers. Perfect. Put the top on. Seal it up. Give it a shake. And you're going to want this to sit room temperature just until it cools down. And then we're going to put it in the fridge. And like I said, I'm going to go 5 to 6 days. I think the longer the better. And in 5 to 6 days, I'm going to show you what they look like. Thanks for watching.